Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for dog walker business. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. With Wix, you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. It is also beginner friendly and their elements or features are drag and drop, so it is quite easy to edit, and they provide you with templates that will allow you to create a professional looking and operating website in no time. So I want you to tap on get started, then you will be redirected to the sign up page and you're going to enter in your email address, or you can choose to create an account using Google or Facebook. After you have created your account, you're going to be redirected to a page like this, and you're going to tap on create new site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on build on the Wix editor, and from here you can tap right where you see set up without chat, and then you're going to type in right where you see the search bar right here. All you would need to do is simply type in dog walker and you can see it there, and then you'll tap on continue. After doing that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to add in your business name, so you can add in your business name right there. So I'm going to type in dog walker right here. So let's do that real quick. Then we'll tap on continue, and from here you can add in your working hours. So let's say 5 days of the week, and we'll be starting from early out, so we'll be starting from 6 a.m. and we'll be finishing, let's say, 8 p.m. and we'll tap on continue. After doing that, you can see the different sample services that you can add. So you could add these services for example sake. So let's say I were to add a few of these. After you have done that, if you would like to add more, you can tap on create new service and you can create the service that you would like to add right there. So let's add this one also. Then we'll tap on continue, and from here you could add in your staff member's name and you can also add in their email address. Then select continue, and if you would like to accept payments online, you can select this. If you would like to accept payments in person, you can select that also, and then tap on continue once more and select continue to dashboard. After selecting continue to dashboard, you will be redirected to your website dashboard. And the first thing you will need to do is edit the services that you have just added. To do this, you're going to select catalog from the left hand menu option, and you're going to see all of the booking services that you have added. Then you can tap on the edit icon. So you'll tap on the pencil. You could change the cover image, and you can also change the text if you want. And by scrolling down, if you would like to change the duration, you can do that. So let's say instead of an hour, it will be 2 hours. And then from there, you can set a fixed price, varied price, or custom price. I'll leave it as fixed price, and it will be $100. Then you can scroll down and you could assign this task to a particular team member. Then you'll tap on save. So we'll tap on save right there. After it has been saved, you can continue editing the rest of the services that you have added. And if you would like to create a new service, you can tap on add a new service in the top right hand corner. Once you're finished, you can tap on getting paid from the left hand menu option, then select connect payment method, and from here, depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. Now you could sign up to PayPal for free, meaning that persons will be able to pay you through PayPal. If you were to connect another payment method, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable, and I would definitely recommend it as you are creating a business website. So you want to spend a little bit of money. To get the most bang for your buck. So I would definitely recommend that if you're going to be creating a professional website, you use Wix, and their paid plan is quite affordable compared to others. After you're finished, you're going to tap on setup in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And from here, we're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can see different templates that you can choose from. and we are going to be selecting this template for example sake. So we'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you'll just give it a few seconds while your website is being rendered in the background. Once here, you can close the pop-up box. Then you're going to tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and you can start editing your website. So for example, if you would like to change the number, you can tap on the number that is currently there, then tap on edit text, and from there you could edit the text right there if you want. You can also scroll down and you can start making changes. So we could tap anywhere we want on the page, then tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner, and from here you could choose to change the image if you want. You can change the background color by tapping on change, and you can also change the text that is currently there. So let's say I were to change the text. You can see how it looks, and I can scroll down and continue editing. So I could edit the about section, and I could change the text right there. Tap on change to change the image. After you have done that, you can type in, for example, I could select media from Wix. Then I could select man with dog. So let's do that, and I'll be provided with some copyright free images that I can use. So you can see how it looks right there, and you could select, for example, this is a good one. Then I'll tap on choose image, and you can see that the image has changed, and you can scroll down and you can continue making changes to your liking. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X. Then you could go over to the top left hand corner and select home, and you'll be able to view all the pages that are currently on your website. And talking about pages, if it is a case that you would like to add a page, you can tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. Then you will select site menu, and you can tap on add page right here to add a page. And to add elements, for example text, picture, anything at all, you will tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there you can see all of the different elements that you can quickly add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can see how our website looks right there. And to book a service, someone will visit the website. For example, tap on book now. Then they'll be redirected to this page, and they can select the date. Then they can select the time that they would like to book our service for, and then they'll tap on next. After doing this, they'll be redirected to the payment page, and they can fill in their information. And that's basically it. All you need to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website will be live. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button